What's up, guys? This is Christopher doing another video once again. Last video was short because I had to go to the store and I'm back. And I swear, everyone and their mamas were at the store. I saw a group of, friends that I used to know there. I saw so much kids from school I knew there. But it's a small town, so I guess it makes sense. Alright, so last time we gotta stop this truck. Looks like that's what I will be doing. There it is! Bro, Alright, don't worry guys, we're gonna get this stupid little truck. Bro! Why was the gun? In the game, I can't move the gun to them. So annoying.
Clear line of sight.
Bro! They keep on moving! If you're dead, how is you still moving? Whatever. How do I got 85? You know what? Last time I was able to do it, I could do it again. Maybe with this car seems really buff. Yeah, what's up? What I'm gonna do, guys?
I'm sorry. Last warning! Move!
Get up! Get up! Run, Michael! Michael, no! Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Just. I know what to do. Get out, Michael.
Do you want to be arrested for obstructing justice?
What is this dude doing? How is he alive? How? I shot him in the head and he just got back up? Sorry guys. Who cares? I'm getting a new desk anyways. Well, I shake the desk so hard. Oops, daisy. Alright. I know what to do. I know what to do. Wait. Guys, I got an idea. I played again, I died. There's a gun store. I just realized that there's a gun store. So... Alright, I gotta hurry. Bro!
It'll be dead. Here's the shot.
Bro, oh my god, get off your phone! I don't want the music! Oh, bro. These people gotta move out of the way. Why is you moving like that? Gosh, this car sucks. Could have got a faster car. Bro, why does that car have to slide? Whatever. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Bro, see what I mean? Why is that car doing? Why is this stupid car doing that? I want to get a new car, but I don't want to waste time. I had one job and I failed. Oh, I got to you fools now. See, why you don't have to do a 360, you stupid car. See, that's why I keep on... Why he keeps on getting faster than me? It's because this car has to do a stupid 360. I have no choice. I see them fools. Get in, Michael! Get in! Oh my god! I shot them! My bad, guys. My bad. I shot them! Sorry, I just got a little out. 10 minutes? Bro, there is no way that's been 10 minutes. I better have... Yeah. Alright, that makes my job so much easier. I got the gun. Bro! Gosh. This car sucks. Alright. Alright, we gotta lose the cops. My papa would not like this game series I'm playing. Who cares? He doesn't watch any of my videos, so we're alright. We're alright. Oh! Move, peasants! Gosh. You think if you see sirens, you would like move to the side, to the side, but no. Oh my gosh. This car sucks donkey. But we need this car. I think, is that drugs? Is that weapons? I think that's weapons because I don't think the cops would be so crazy about them holding drugs, so I think these are weapons or bombs. Bro, they're literally on me. I know what to do, I know what to do. To lose them, you have to be... Bro! Gosh! I hate it that people just... You get hit and they're like, oh well. Oh my gosh, bro. There's no way they're behind me. Oh, I heard an explosion! I heard an explosion. I don't know what that was. Bro, this helicopter for real needs to F off. There we go. Alright, so there's gonna be a cop there. And he just passed us like an idiot. Alright, all I gotta do... I know what to do, I know what to do. Go for here. Come on, you stupid car! Go! Go! I am almost losing the police. Bro, why is there cops everywhere? Maybe... Oh! We did it! How do I shut my siren off? Maybe that's why the police cut. Oh my gosh, bro, there's a cop right there. Let's just pretend that we're the cop. Alright. We finally lost the police. She was in my way, guys. She was in my way. Don't get mad at me. She was just in the way. Bro! Why are you... that car was stupid. He couldn't make up his own mind. Alright, at least it's not that far away now. Oh, there's doggies! I think those are cats, actually. Alright, don't kill the cat or dog or whatever it is. Whew. Where's that fool?
All right, Lester. I got us the tag team rifles.
Alright, and the score is ready to go.
Oh, we're gonna rob it! Bad.
All right. I want to say thanks for being a part of our little operation. We're all professionals. We all know the score.
Oh,
To
Franklin!
execute the plan, we're going to move quick, and we're going to keep cool. Anybody gets pinched. This meeting never took place. We don't know each other. Is that clear?
Now, we've looked very, very carefully at the plans. We considered something more complicated, but given the location, the weakness of staffing, and the exit points, we believe that a more simple plan will work best.
We're going to hack in, disable security, and waltz right in through the front door. Security guard should be to our left. We neutralize him. 15 seconds later, you come in. I want extreme pressure applied to the staff. The customers are to be calmly subdued. I want one guy on crowd control, while you and I empty out the merchandise from the cabinets. We're in and out in 90 seconds, guys. Franklin will handle your getaway. I'm leaving on foot. Any questions?
Good luck, everyone.
Let's go.
Oh, we're Franklin.
Yeah, come on, get in.
Bet.
Paige, you're
Get in the
Fight
get in the
everyone else.
candy van.
Gus,
To the
I need you in the
Pedo-mobile.
back of the van.
Da-na-na-na-na.
Franklin's
I
driving,
better have
I'm
free
the
candy
passenger.
on that van. Oh, it's a black van. So it's not the Pedo-mobile. I love Franklin's drip. I guess we just follow that truck. Let's not be too suspicious. Let's not crash into people.
All right, listen up.
Oh, that truck is
Four of
fast.
us in this van. We're about to become accomplices in a major crime. I gotta be able to trust you with my life, my liberty, my reputation. Same goes the other way. A crew will only work when there's
Oops.
trust. So, in the interest of fostering that type of relationship in the short time we've got, let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I've done this type of thing before, more than a few times, and I've made good money doing it. Enough to spend a long time not doing it. I hope it goes without saying, I know a lot of people. Anyone yaps about me or any of you, you'll be dealt with.
Dang.
Good. Now, Frank, over to you.
Yeah, man, I'm Franklin, dog. And, I'm new to these kind of planned out detail robberies. I've done my share of small jobs, you know, liquor stores, warehouses, boosting cars. Then I met this dude right here, Michael, man. And he turned me on to this thing.
So, who's next?
Gustavo Casmota.
Hold on. Things acting funny. I have fixed
For
it.
Miss Los, know what I'm saying? It's the bang for the barrels, but hey, don't tell him I told you that. I might even homies if I go away. I guess I found out pretty young to pull a trigger. But it was a couple of years before I started doing it for bread, know what I'm saying? Instead of that repping where you from bullshit. And here we are.
All right. This is Eddie Toe. He'll be cleaning out the cabinets and handling the getaway. He's got you some bikes for that. All you need to know about him is he's good. Shit.
Move!
What are you freaking out at?
Nah, that fool was breaking the law.
What did you do?
Oh my gosh. If you see a car crash, you don't keep on driving, idiots. How do I have road rage in a game? I really do need therapy.
Come on. If the 99... Are you kidding me?
Oh, yeah.
And that will be it for our next video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe, like, comment, and bye!